Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to f of s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have like this. Now we need to change the bounds. So when s equals to 8, that is from here, and the value of 8 we put in here to find the value of u. So u equals to f of 8. When s equals to b, and the value of b will go in here. So this one we have u equals to f of b. Now we have the integration. 8 we change for f of 8, and b we change for f of b. F of s we change for u. This one we change for this one. So we have the u. The integration of u, we have u square over number 2, and I will put the bounds from f of 8 to f of b. And now we put this one go in here, and this one go in here, and we have like this. So we have the formula in here. So we need to convert this one into this one, and that should be like this. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.